Hi there, this is Summer Goth. That's not actually Summer Goth. This is my very first video in a long time, and actually that's me, and everybody is getting into my shop today. But today I will be doing an unboxing of my very first mechanical keyboard. What I have today is a KBParadise 100% Olivette keyboard. I'll include the details in the bio, but I got Cherry MX blue switches, and I bought this to fit my desk aesthetic. This is my first time buying myself a mechanical keyboard, so unfortunately I did not do a whole lot of research. I've just been looking at cute videos of people with aesthetic desks, and I was like, I need one of those. So needless to say, I bought this at like 2 in the morning. My first gripe with this, as you'll see once I take it out of the casing, is that I didn't notice that the keycaps have text that is navy blue, not actually black. That's my biggest gripe because I bought this to fit my desk aesthetic. It's not noticeable, but to me it is. Either way, I still really like how it looks. I bought my keyboard from mechanicalkeyboards.com. As I said, I really didn't look into the best places to buy them, but they did include 3 random keycaps. They had a free gift that you could choose. This one is white with red. This is probably my favorite. The next one is blue and green. That's kind of cool too. And the last one is black with yellow and very Halloween. I love it. And so now I'm going to be quiet and let you listen to the keys. So my second issue with this keyboard is that its body feels a little cheap and flexy. The keys are fine, but the keyboard that I take off my desk is a lot higher quality, and I wish it was a lot more like this, but I just think the one I have is cuter. Overall, I think I'm going to give this board like a 7 out of 10. I think it's really cute, and I like everything about it except for those like 2 little issues that I have with it. Here I am typing. I am not a fast typer because I'm learning how to type properly, but enjoy my typing, and thank you for listening. All the details will be in the bio.